Anchor. A tool used to moor a vessel to the bottom of a sea or river to resist movement. Formerly a vessel would differentiate amongst the anchors carried as waist anchor, best bower, stream and kedge anchors, depending on purpose and, to a great extent, on mass and size of the anchor. Modern usage is storm anchor for the heaviest anchor with the longest rode, best bower or simply bower for the most commonly used anchor deployed from the bow, and stream or lunch hook for a small, light anchor used for temporary moorage and often deployed from the stern. An iron device so shaped as to grip the bottom and hold a vessel at her berth by the chain or rope attached. FM 55 to 501. The combined anchoring gear anchor, rode, and fittings such as bitts, cat, and windlass. Any instrument serving a purpose like that of a ship's anchor, such as an arrangement of timber to hold a dam fast, a device to hold the end of a bridge cable, etc., or a device used in metalworking to hold the core of a mold in place. Anchor.